Hello, and welcome to Cyberinsider. Let's start with a question. How many websites do you think have your full name, your email, your home address, or phone number? 10? 20? What about 100? The truth is, in today's digital world, your personal information is scattered across countless online databases. It's not just on the sites you signed up for, it's being actively collected, packaged, and sold on an invisible market by companies you've never even heard of. These companies are called data brokers. Their entire business model is to build a detailed profile on you, your location, your interests, your family members, your purchase history, and then sell that profile to the highest bidder. This isn't just about getting annoying targeted ads. It's about your data falling into the hands of scammers. It's about a higher risk of identity theft. It's about your personal, private life being turned into a commodity. It's a massive problem, and it happens completely in the background, without your consent. So how do you fight back against an enemy you can't even see? This is where Incogni comes in. You can think of Incogni as your personal dedicated team, whose entire job is to hunt down your data and get it erased. It's a powerful personal information removal service designed specifically to safeguard your online privacy. It doesn't just block ads or hide your IP address. It goes to the source, the data brokers themselves, and legally demands they delete your information. Incogni acts as your representative. Instead of you having to spend hundreds of hours researching which data brokers exist, finding their contact information, and navigating their complex, intentionally difficult opt-out procedures, Incogni does it all for you. It uses advanced data removal processes to systematically contact these platforms and enforce your right to privacy. This is the most effective way to lower your risk of identity theft, reduce scam calls and emails, and take back control of your digital footprint. So what happens when you sign up? How does Incogni actually get your information deleted? The process is both thorough and brilliant in its simplicity for you, the user. First, you sign up and give Incogni the basic information you want protected, like your name and email address. From there, Incogni's team gets to work. The first step is identification. Incogni conducts a comprehensive data analysis, scanning its extensive list of data broker databases to find out exactly which ones are holding your personal information. Next, the request submission phase begins. This is the real heavy lifting. The Incogni team systematically contacts every single data broker that has your data and submits formal, legally binding removal requests. This isn't a simple email. These are official requests that brokers are obliged to respond to. After a request is processed, Incogni moves to confirmation and verification. They follow up, they check back with the data broker to ensure your data has actually been removed, and that the data broker has complied with the request. This verification step is crucial, as some brokers may ignore initial requests. But perhaps the most important part of the service is continuous monitoring. Here's a frustrating truth. Even after your data is removed, data brokers will try to get it again. They consistently scrape the web and buy new lists. An annual subscription with Incogni means they don't just do this once. They continuously monitor these brokers' activities and resubmit removal requests as soon as your data reappears. This ensures that your personal information stays secure over time. It's not a one-and-done fix, it's an ongoing protection service. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I've heard of other services like DeleteMe, Optery, or PrivacyBee. What makes Incogni the right choice? This is the right question, and there are a few key differences. First is the comprehensive service. Incogni is known for targeting a wider and more thorough range of data broker databases, compared to many competitors. This means you're getting a higher level of privacy protection, because more sources of your data are being removed. Second is the dedicated team and transparency. Incogni's entire focus is on this process. Their team uses in-depth data analysis to find your information, and just as importantly, they keep you informed. You get regular, up-to-date information on the status of your data removal. You can see which requests are pending, which are completed, and how many brokers have been contacted. This transparency is a huge plus. Finally, Incogni places a heavy emphasis on risk mitigation. By using advanced methods to get your data removed, they directly minimize your risk of data breaches, scam attacks, and identity theft. When you compare the features, the number of brokers contacted, and the continuous monitoring, Incogni consistently stands out. Of course, a premium service usually comes with a premium price, but because you're part of the Cyberinsider community, we've worked with Incogni to get you a fantastic deal. This is the part you've been waiting for. our team has secured an exclusive 50% off coupon code. This is a massive saving on their service. To get this deal, you have to follow a few simple steps. First, you need to go to the Incogni website using the link in the description below. Clicking our link will take you to the right place. Second, you'll need to choose the plan that best suits your needs. The annual subscription is by far the most popular and the best value. To get 50% discount, you must select the option to pay annually. This makes sense anyway because data removal isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing battle, and this annual plan ensures you're protected all year long. Third, when you get to the order form, look for the coupon code field. It's usually at the bottom of the order summary. In that field, you need to enter our exclusive discount code. The code is RESTORE. That's REESTORE. Once you enter that code, you will see the 50% discount applied to your order. Complete the form, and that's it. You've just hired a personal team to protect your digital privacy for an entire year at half the price. Plus, Incogni offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk to trying this out. And it's not just for individuals. If you're a business owner or a manager, think about the data risks for your company and your employees. Incogni also provides specialized business plans. These are designed to protect corporate data, help your company comply with privacy laws, and mitigate the risk of data breaches that could endanger your company's reputation. It's a powerful tool to safeguard your customer trust and secure your corporate data from being exposed on data broker sites. In a world where your data is constantly being bought and sold, taking action is paramount. Incogni stands out as a trusted, effective, and comprehensive service to protect your personal information. You don't have to accept that your private life is for sale. By choosing Incogni, you are opting for a set-it-and-forget-it solution that works 24/7 to keep your information out of the hands of the brokers, scammers, and advertisers. And with our exclusive Cyberinsider deal, there's never been a better time to do it. To make the smart choice for your online privacy, click that link in the description below, select the annual plan, and use the code RESTORE at checkout to get your 50% discount. Thank you for watching Cyberinsider, and stay safe out there.